In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to n8n. We'll set up a secure connection using a personal access token from Airtable and save it as a credential in n8n so your workflows can interact with your bases safely and reliably. Start by opening n8n and logging in using the login button in the upper right. Once you're in, look to the upper left and click the plus button to add something new. Choose Credential, then select Personal. A pop-up will appear asking what service you want to connect. Type Airtable into the search and select the Airtable Personal Access Token API option. You'll see a field where an access token is required. Leave this window open for a moment. We'll generate that token in Airtable next. Go to Airtable in your browser. In the bottom left corner, click your profile icon to open more options. Then choose Builder Hub. In the left panel, find and select Personal Access Tokens. Create token to begin. Give your token a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple tokens. Next, click Add a Scope. Scopes define what this token is allowed to do. Pick only what your workflows need, such as the ability to see data in records, see comments in records, or see the structure of a base. Selecting only the necessary scopes helps keep your setup secure and easier to audit. In the Access section, decide how broad the token's access should be. If you want it to work with everything you have now and anything you create later, choose. Add all resources to include all current and future bases in all current and future workspaces. If you prefer tighter control, choose. Add a base and select specific resources. When you're satisfied, click Create Token. Airtable will generate the token. Copy it immediately and keep it private. Return to n8n, paste the token into the Access Token field, and click Save. That's it. n8n is now connected to Airtable using your credential. From here, you can add Airtable nodes to your workflows and select this saved credential each time, following the same process whenever you need to authenticate. A couple of quick tips. Never share your token publicly and avoid pasting it into documents or messages. If something doesn't work, double-check that the token's scopes and access include the bases your workflow touches. When you no longer need a token or want to rotate credentials for security, revoke it in Airtable and update the credential in n8n. You're all set to start building automations that read from and write to Airtable with confidence.